Yo guys, so the release has come, the release has gone. And I mean literally, these things are sold out in a couple of different places where I didn't expect. But I'm gonna drop a video, guys, trying to help you out on securing a pair, even if you did take an L today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in, bruh. The Palomino release has finally happened. If you don't know, you're supposed to release back in like July, if I'm not mistaken. They pushed it back to August, and then now they pushed it all the way back to September the 2nd, man. And today is great, bro. Got some great college football going. That's why the video is a little bit later than usual. You know I gotta watch that college football, man. Some great college football games going on right now. And go ahead and comment down below your team that you're gonna be, you know what I'm saying, rooting for, supporting this college football. We're gonna talk about, you know what I'm saying, NFL next week, bro. We're gonna say NFL for this next week. This week is all college football, you feel me? So go ahead and comment down below who you rocking out with. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. Shouldn't miss out on any content that we do drop ever on the channel. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way. And I know if you know what I'm saying, you know what happened today, bro. You wanna, you know what I'm saying, drop some comments, letting us know how your release went over these Air Jordan 1 Palomino things. And I told y'all, these are my favorite this year, 2023. All right, guys, so back to these Palominos, bro. You seen it, bro. They sold out on Sneakers app. People thought it was gonna be an easy grab. Like, people thought they was gonna be able to wait a couple of hours like the UNC Toes, wait a couple of hours like the Air Jordan 1 Watch Blacks. No, bro. The Palominos is definitely like that. It was 193,000 pairs that did drop on just the Nike Sneakers app. And of course, you know, pairs are floating around different, you know, sneaker shops, mom and pop shops and stuff like that. But it wasn't easy to grab them online either, bruh. So a lot of people was banking on the Nike Sneakers app to secure a pair. And of course, your boy the Vintage got that huge got him, bro. Hold on, where my phone at, bro? I gotta show you that got him message real quick, man. Cause I did not expect to hit on the Sneakers app. I went on there like 10:01 my time. And I was like, bro, I probably won't get them. But your boy got super, you know what I'm saying, lucky with the dub on the Nike Sneakers app. So real quick, man, if you guys did hit on Nike, please let me know down below in the comment section. You guys see it, bro. Got that got 'em message on the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. So the double up is secure, bro. Double up on the UNC Toes. Doubled up on the Air Jordan 1 Palominos, reimagined 3s, fire red 3s. The list goes on and on. But some of them things you gotta double up on because you know you're gonna wear a pair a lot. And definitely the Air Jordan 1 Palomino is gonna get a lot of wears this upcoming fall season. So like I said, let me know if you did secure a pair. Let me know if you did take an L. And right now I'm gonna help you guys out as far as, you know what I'm saying, waiting, bro. Don't pay resale yet, bro. The resale isn't too crazy, it isn't too, you know what I'm saying, too high or anything like that. And I definitely think that people will not be picking up their pairs from Foot Locker, from Champs, from JD and stuff like that that did reserve a pair in your local areas. You might can go in there probably after 12 today or tomorrow for Foot Locker and Champs when they do let pairs go, because people see, you know what I'm saying, the resale isn't too crazy, and people usually go and buy sneakers because of the resale value. And right now, the resale isn't too great, bro. Most sizes are going for 200 to 230 bucks, man, which isn't too high. It's not something that people gonna go buy just to make $20 on, bro. They're not gonna do it. So I'm telling y'all, bro, do not pay resale, bro. Just wait. Promise y'all, just wait a little bit. And I definitely think that these will, you know what I'm saying, restock on Nike Sneakers app sometime soon as well, as far as like a Jordan 1 Reserve, or you might even see them on Sneakers Day, which happens September the 9th, man. But you're gonna get your bang out of your buck going to your local stores and seeing how many people did not confirm the Palomino ones, bro. I promise y'all, people entered for shoes just to see how the resale is gonna hit the day of. They confirm their pair, and if the resale ain't hitting like they wanted to hit, they gonna let that pair sit, man. I promise y'all, I'm trying to drop them gems for y'all, bro. It's been plenty of times, bro. Plenty of times I have got sneakers that had sold out on the drop day. You couldn't see pairs in the local areas, but the next day they say, yo, come back the next day. We will let those pairs that wasn't confirmed go for, you know what I'm saying, the general public, man. So this was definitely gonna happen for the Palomino Air Jordan 1s clean sneaker. But like I said, most people want them just for that resale purpose, bro. And while I got y'all here, man, if you did not know, if you ain't checked the tee out, bro, we got that OutRank brand on. Y'all see it goes perfect with the Palomino 1s. You also see the snapback right there, bro. Y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it, man. Really, really crispy snapback. I love it. And the tee, of course, in good quality. I love their t-shirts, how, you know what I'm saying, how soft they are, the good quality. And this is definitely something that's gonna last you a long time. Of course, I always direct you guys to OutRank, bro. Save you 10% off your entire order when you are rocking and shopping with OutRank brand. OutRank brand is the way to go. It's the right way. Don't get misdirected, bro. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. Use that discount code TheVintage to save you 10% off your entire order, man. And y'all don't mind my socks, bro. Y'all don't mind my socks, man. Let me go ahead and grab these Air Jordan 1 UNC toes, because it's still some talks, bro. It's still some talks. People saying that these is the best of the year, man. People saying it's these, the black and white high 85s, the Travis Scott lows, bro. I don't know, man. I got 2 pairs of these too, so I ain't saying they trash or anything like that. I have 2 pairs, bro. But when it comes to these Palomino things, man, when it comes to these Palominos, bro, it's just something different about it. Or maybe it's because I love that mocha hit, the sail hits, the gold hit on the Nike tongue. These things was executed perfectly, and I'm all here for the Palomino wave, bro. Like I said, man, do not pay resale just yet. I would give it about a week or so. I think they definitely will probably be going for around 170, 180, 190 price range for these Jordan 1s on StockX and Gold and stuff like that. You gotta just wait people get their pairs. You know what I'm saying? Everybody love to call them little Timmies. They gonna let these pairs go, bruh. And then that's what's gonna be the best time for you to pull that trigger. But just wait until you go to your sneaker shops tomorrow when they let the unconfirmed pairs go. And I promise you, you might be surprised on how many pairs, you know, people do leave over when the resale isn't too hot on a particular sneaker, man. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please let me know if you did secure the Air Jordan 1 Palominos, man. I know y'all probably tired of hearing me talking about these things, but the release is here. The release has come and gone. So you probably won't see these until you see me throw these things for a fit on the gram on IG with my OutRank brand, of course, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel. And please give a huge like on today's video. I'm thinking about going live tonight, so it's gonna be super important for you guys to hit the notification bell. I'm gonna bring the homies up. We're gonna talk about a couple things or two, you know what I'm saying, chop it up with the Vintage Squad. Again, thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. Appreciate all of the support. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.